So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can change the photo aspect ratio in LENOVO 10e Chromebook. So in the first step, open the camera app, and now if you need to change the photo aspect ratio, just give me a second. And now if you want to change the photo aspect ratio, click on the settings icon, then go to the photo aspect ratio, and as you can see here 4:3, 16:9, and the last one square. And now I'm gonna show you how looks the difference between these photos. This is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.